Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'd like to talk to you about solar and do a bit of a comparison between the budget panel and the premium panel and why I've decided to upgrade to the premium panel over the budget panel. All right, let's get checking out some of the features of both. Cheers. Right, let's start by talking about the bags. I've been very disappointed with this Adventure Kings bag. As you can see, when the first couple times of using this, it ripped the whole way down the sides. It's ripped on both ends. The bottom's giving way as well. It's a very tight fit to try and get the panel in the bag. So you can't help it, it'll grab, it just rips the bag straight open. It's very poor quality. The zip's terrible too. It gets stuck all the time. I've basically got nothing good to say about this bag at all. I've been so tempted to throw it away so many times. It's just useless. But I can already see the stitching and seams on this bag here are far superior, a lot better quality, so it's not going to rip on me. It's on both sides as well, so it's a lot stronger bag. The whole bag itself is waterproof. It's got this huge pocket on the front here where I can fit all my accessory leads, the plugs, everything for the panel needed. So the panel is always ready to go. It's got a premium YKK zip as well, so very good quality zip as well. But probably the biggest reason I've chosen to go this panel over that one, it's quite obvious really. Look at the size difference. That's double the size of this. I struggle to fit that in the canopy each time. It just fits in there and get the doors closed, and it's not what I want. Room and weight are a big factor with my canopy. As you know, my car's slow enough already, so I don't want to drag it down even more with extra weight that I don't need. So I've decided to upgrade to something half the size and a lot lighter to benefit my setup. All right, let's open these bags up, check them out. So this is what the panel looks like out of the bag. As you can see, it's the old glass panel, so it's quite heavy. As it opens it up, I always get dirt building up at the bottoms in all these ridges here. That's been quite annoying from the start. The legs themselves, they feel very flimsy. I haven't liked them at all. I've been expecting them to give way at some point. I don't like the design of the regulator either, whereas that one makes it very easy if you've got to bypass your regulator like I do. My car already has the charger, which has its own regulator. So I can't run through the regulator and the panels, so I need to bypass it. So what I had to do, I had to cut these wires and rejoin all these together to be able to bypass it, whereas that, it's got a built-in Anderson plug. You just plug straight in and you've bypassed it. It couldn't be any simpler. All right, let's open the other panels and check them out. Now you can really see the size difference between these two panels. The panel itself, like I said, that one is glass. This one here is a completely different technology. A lot of research has gone into this one. It has 7 different layers. So this one here is a lot more lightweight. It's waterproof. It's even hail-proof, which I would hate to see that one in hail. It would just shatter. So I think that's fantastic because we are always there every single weekend. You can get caught. So that's a great feature. All the panels are magnetically stuck together here, which is cool. All the hinges are all waterproof too. Everything on here is waterproof, so nothing's ever going to rust on you. As we open the first panel up, straight away you can see here's your wires coming out of the panels. You have an option here. You've got a black Anderson plug here. So you can either, if you're plugging this straight into your battery, you grab this little black lead here, plug it into the panel there, and that one there will run straight to your battery. But for people like me that want to bypass the regulator, I just have to plug my Anderson plug straight into that plug there, and I've got instant power. How easy that to bypass. This regulator is also waterproof as well, so another great feature. These legs, I trust these a lot more. They've got an awesome little strap on them, so it's completely adjustable, whereas the other one wasn't as adjustable. So let's open this right up and have a look. I now have the Adventure Kings panel plugged in. I've been fully draining the battery of the car so that it puts peak power back into the battery. And at the moment, I'm putting in 4 to 6 amps. So not what you'd expect out of a 250 watt panel. Now, if you need any more proof of how superior this panel is over that, there's not a lot of difference in wattage. That one is supposed to be 250 watts, where this premium panel is 300. So not a lot of difference. But the super cheap panel is only putting out about 4 to 6 amps, whereas this one, 11, I had 12, I had even 13 amps a second ago. That's over double. That is unbelievable. I've chosen to go with the Kickass 300 watt super thin panel. It really suits my needs. I consume a lot of power while I'm down camping. I'm constantly charging my drones, cameras, phones, everything. So I need a panel that really puts out a lot of power, but maybe you don't need that much power. So they do have other options available. They have a 200 watt panel and a 150 watt. So depending on your own needs, they have a panel to suit everyone basically. Depending what type of camper you are, maybe you're just starting out. Maybe you don't want to spend too much money on camping gear just yet, but you still want the basics of everything just so you can start getting out there and starting your own adventures. Then there's nothing wrong with this budget panel to get you started. It does what they say it does. You just got to take into consideration it's very big and bulky and heavy, so it will take up a lot of room in your setup, but at least it'll get you out there. Now, maybe you want to start getting out there more often, or maybe you want to start bringing more accessories with you and start charging your cameras or your laptops so you can start doing editing or any sort of device that you want to take with you, and you want more freedom, then maybe it's time to upgrade to something more premium. I'm very happy with this product. I'll be using this for years to come. It looks like a very good quality product. I'm much happy with this already over the Adventure Kings. I hope this review sort of helped you out as well. If you do have any questions, shoot them through. I'm happy to answer any questions as usual. And if you have liked this video, then leave a like. And if you haven't already, subscribe. But thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.